How to fix iPhone camera flickering issue. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of camera. Once you find it, open it. Now head towards the option of preserve settings. You will see the option of live photo, toggle it off. Head back. Scroll down, you will see the option of smart SDR, toggle it off. Now you can check whether your problem will be solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, head back to the main page of settings. Open the option general. You can give a fresh restart to your device. For that, click on this option of shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and again turn it back. Likewise, open this option software update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, head back. Go to the option iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Now head back. Scroll down. Open the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Now type in your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone camera flickering issue. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.